Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting off our day at Planet Fitness. We're gonna go run some errands and then we are heading inward into central Arizona. It's gonna be an interesting day, so buckle up Buttercup and let's go. Riley, are you getting yourself ready for a shower time? Yeah, she's on the other side of this thing. You can, there she is. Lock up my doors. There we go. We've been in the desert.
Yeah.
We've been getting sandblasted.
Yeah.
We took a shower, like an actual shower a couple days ago.
Yeah. And now we need another one.
Yeah, we do. Been keeping clean with my cleaning wipes and then also my shower cloths, but at the same time, there's nothing better than actual running water on a shower. And we found that Yuma has 2 Planet Fitnesses. This is the one we stopped off at the other day. We really liked it.
It's a good one.
It's a good one. They have good water pressure. It's nice and warm. They have large stalls. Everything works out really well. So yeah, I'm so looking forward to this. Into the Planet Fitness we go. Going into the judgment-free zone. With the doors all the way down here. And you guys can't come with me on this one. Riley, say goodbye to our friends. We'll see them in a minute. Okay, we're back from the showers and I feel so much better. Even if you stay clean whenever you're out and about in your van, it's a different vibe to have all the water that you want, unlimited. I feel so good now. Riley's still in there. She's getting herself together, but we're about to go over to the store. We have to find some food too. Both of us are kind of starving today and we waited a little bit late in the day for what we normally do. So I think we're just gonna grab something because we still have to drive about 2.5 hours today. So it would just be easier for us to grab some food, I think. There's the Carl's Jr. and it looks like it's right next to a Dairy Queen. Riley still has beef with Dairy Queen because they gave her the wrong thing in Texas. Oopsies. Not that it was bad, it just wasn't what she ordered. Over here it looks like there's a Subway, so I don't know if that would be of interest. And then there's an Applebee's over here. So those are all the things in parking lot. What will we end up with? I have no idea, but as soon as Riley gets out here, we'll figure it out. We also need to dump trash. Badly. Very badly. Checking out batteries. This one's at 98%, so that's doable. This one is at 64, so it's getting closer and closer where I need it to be. I do need to dust this now that we're not in the dustiness. And this is the ones that's pulling off the panel. It's getting 54. I might dust the panel really quickly to see if we can get more in because it's only pulling 3 watts right now. Now, is that great? No, but it's better than it was. So maybe we'll get some more power. Why is it that Riley just got back? And when I was like, hey, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? And I told her the options. She said she might be interested in the Dairy Queen. Yeah, in a twist of thought, definitely plot twist, Riley has decided she might
being the key word.
Want Dairy Queen.
Maybe.
Are you trying to redeem yourself from Texas?
Yeah, well, also like a shake sounds real good.
Did you know that they have different things on the menu in Arizona than they do in Texas in some places?
They do?
Yeah, because remember that one we tried in Marana and they had cheese sticks?
Cheese sticks sound so good.
We'll have to see what's on the menu if we go over there. Riley is trying to get her van together. I'm gonna go check to see if that improved my power situation. This is what I do kind of throughout the day, just randomly. If you're in bad weather, just clean your panel every so often. It's harder to clean without popping up the ladder, so that there's this one section in the middle that I can't get to. But even cleaning just the sides of it, so helpful. Currently 4 watts, which is more technically, but we're still kind of in a little bit of a shadow. So as soon as we move away and we get in direct sun, I'll check it again. This morning, in the direct sun when we were still out at Mitri Lake, I was pulling about 20 watts. It's a 100-watt panel, so I know it was disgusting and dirty. So this should be helpful. Again, I have one palm tree. The lone palm tree is just like right in the way though right now. Let me show you. This guy, perfect placement. See how that tiny palm tree shades the entire solar panel on my van? Yeah. Anyway, looks like Riley is getting ready to go. So we're gonna get in the van, turn on the walkie, and I guess Transformers will be rolling back out, but a little bit more clean. I am kind of hoping that we're not in the wind for a couple days so this wind burn can start going away. It doesn't hurt. It's not sunburn. It's just the wind. I get the worst of the elements and they just keep on keeping on. Currently it's 78 in the van because it's a nice cozy day. Not anything too bad. With the window down, it would be probably in the 60s. But with the windows all up, it's in the 70s. Riley had Tyson all set up for the showers. We were only in there for a few minutes, but like the windows were down. So whenever I came back outside, he was just chilling. He was enjoying himself. Oh, this is the nice time of year to be in Arizona because you can actually tolerate the days like this. Anything after, I would say, like March, April, it starts to get warmer in my experience. After that, it starts to just like be a little bit too warm when you walk away from the van. But for now, we're in the van, we're ready to go. Let me see if Riley's figured out her food situation. Here we go. There we go. Riley, have you figured out if you want to go to Dairy Queen?
Yeah, we can do Dairy Queen. I can't believe I said that, but let's do it.
Let's do it. I'll meet you over there. And just like that, roll out. Hey, here we are. Let's go see what's on the menu here in Arizona. Looks like they have a $7 meal deal that includes a dessert. Okay. Okay, change of plans. So the Dairy Queen here is more like desserts and then chicken. They don't have any burgers or anything. That's really weird. The Dairy Queen ice cream is really good, but we were needing actual food. So we're gonna go over to another place instead, I think. I need to talk to Riley though, because I think we have an issue. Riley. I think we have an issue. We can't get to the Freddy's parking lot unless we go out onto the main road and then go over.
Yeah, that's what I've noticed too. We gotta go that way and then that way.
So are we going to Freddy's or do we want to see if we can find something else?
Let's go to Freddy's because I don't feel like driving around too much.
Well, I have an idea.
Oh, what's your idea?
We could park over on this side, just out of the Dairy Queen parking, because the Dairy Queen parking is just small. And then we could just like walk over.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, so I think that if we go over here on the side of the building, there's parking over kind of up by the curb.
That way, yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Sometimes logistics are just weird. This is one of the more bizarre times of us trying to find regular food. Also, my hair is doing the most after my shower. It's feeling free and alive and not dusty. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so this parking is not gonna work because we were gonna have to park way down there. So we're gonna instead just go and drive over, I guess, to Freddy's. And Riley's walkie is tripping out right now. It was very clearly not a cut through from one parking lot to the other. I really wish that everyone just had like the ability to do that, but I understand that they try to like stop people from like using their parking lots as like a roadway, so I totally get it, but dude, sometimes it would just be so much easier. Now, with that said, let's try again. Also, it occurred to me that we were going to get our meatball sub stuff at the store, but the problem is we got 2 hours to drive. Surely we'll be hungry again by then, right?
Ooh, they got bacon in this thing. I didn't know.
Okay, we're finished with that, so now we're gonna go to Fry's and then we need to get gas and then we gotta hit the road. We're not too worried about it being later in the afternoon because the thing we're doing actually is better at night. You'll see. But for now, I have my drink with me. It looks like Riley is getting Tyson out. Yes, there he is. Hi, Ty. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah, okay, cool. Anyway, we're gonna go to Fry's, right, Riley? Yeah. Woohoo! Looks like there's a gas station over at the Fry's, which is right across the street. Yeah. Okay, Riley's getting everything all set up for Tyson. We parked in an area that has a little bit of shade that casts down into that direction. So it's a little bit cooler back here. Also, there's no one on the other side, so yay. I have a few things that I need to clean out of my refrigerator because I had something explode. So I'm not gonna get as many things while we're here. I'm probably just gonna get a few things just to kind of get us through the next couple days. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. I'm gonna get to do a refrigerator clean out because whatever it was that just oozed in. It happens sometimes. Things just rattle around and they get unlatched, and well, that's life. It is what it is. I am so sad that I'm gonna have to like do that, but I'm not doing it right now. It's not a today thing. So I'll probably just get a few tiny things and then probably some little like snack things things, like finger food stuff that we can have like just in passing as we're driving and things. But I do want to get those rolls so we can use the meatballs because we need to use them up today. Otherwise they'll be bad. So we're going to do that. And I don't know what else. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. So we were just here the other day and now they're doing construction. So like the bathrooms are closed. Thank goodness we don't need them, but you never know what you'll find from day to day. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It is so cute. Okay, I was kind of thinking that we could use these, but we could also use these for some of our other things possibly also if we do like brats. So I'm gonna do these and then I need to find Riley with the cart. What are you finding, Riley? I just keep yawning while I'm in here.
Well, no more yawning.
I know, we have 2.5 hours to drive. Goodness, where's Riley when we need her? Riley.
Hey, look.
It's your black truffle.
Yes, I still have some though.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Melinda's. You gotta go back in there. Roaming around the store, you never know what you're gonna find. We found blackberry Dr. Pepper. Hadn't seen this before. Of course, Dr. Pepper was founded in Texas, so I always have to try it out when they come up with something new. But I don't know about this one, but we're gonna try it. Ooh, is it gonna be good? I don't know. Oh my gosh, we also found these little lantern lamps. This is so cute. Whenever we were at Buses by the Bridge, we kept seeing the Coleman lanterns specifically. And apparently they are significant to people who do VWs. So a lot of times they'll try to find a vintage Coleman lantern or a Coleman cooler or something like that because Coleman was one of the original outdoor brands and they'll match them to their VW. Now this obviously is just a $6 knockoff. Looks like it does have a little light in it and stuff, but at the same time probably not going to have the same ability as one of those big guys, but it does have a fill line. You can see there's a fill line on the bottom, so pretty cute. $6. Fry's has some neat stuff. Since Ernie has a VW, I asked. I was like, okay, why do they keep having all these lanterns and stuff? And he said it was just like a thing with vintage and that people collect these things and it's a way to kind of have the nostalgia. And then at Buses, they do a lantern walk where they actually walk out with the lanterns and it's just like this homage to the past. It's really neat. So now I'm like, ooh, and I found, oh my. This section of the store is just made for me. There's a bunny right next to a dinosaur. And of course, look at this thing. Oh, this is so cute. You know, I was sitting here yawning and I was tired because just after a shower and being clean and then filling my tummy, and now I'm just like walking around like entertaining myself at a store. It's a grocery store, but like with cool stuff. I love coming to new places, seeing different things. Oh. Speaking of which, okay, go with me on this journey. If this was an adult thing instead of a kid thing, can you imagine all of the coolness that I could have with a little backpack like this? Oh my gosh. Obviously, it's a kid's thing, but isn't it cool? I will say this though, this is only $14.99, and if I could figure out justifying this, I would put this in my van because this would feel so good.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only $14.99. I'm tempted. Okay, before we leave, I also saw these. They're games. This one's for the girls. And it has questions for the girls. Keep this card. Give this card. Yeah, these are neat. This is a game just for you to play with your girls. So 3 to 8 players. There's only 2 of us, so it would make it too hard to play. But like if Dee was with us, she would love this. Oh, I miss Dee. I wish she could have come out to the desert. The rest of our group is a mixed group, so I don't know if they'd want to play a game for the girls. Maybe though. Hey Riley, let's get out of this section before I buy something that I don't actually need. That's it for us here at Fry's. Back to the van. Back in the van, and I just need to put my cheese in the refrigerator. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate this Dr. Pepper so that it can be cold, and then we'll try those later. Now, we're finished with all the errands. We've gotten gas, we've taken a shower. That's Riley setting off her alarm. And we're about to head out. I gotta map everything though, so that could take me just a minute.
Interstate 8 frontage road, then turn left.
Here we go. Maps up, phone's charging. And now all I have to do is wait for Riley and she'll be ready in just a moment. The sun is starting to go down and starting to fade a little bit. It's about 5:30, so we know that we're gonna be arriving after dark. Normally this would be something we don't wanna do, but because of the location, it's gonna be worth it. When we were talking about going to this place, we knew we were gonna get a little bit later of a start because we were going to be hanging out around camp. And so we thought about it. Do we wanna go during the day or do we wanna go in the evening? The evening makes more sense because of the location. And I'll show you that on the very next video where we end up, but we've decided that we're going to go all the way to Casa Grande or Casa Grande or Casa Grande or Casa Grande, depending on how you want to say it. Everybody calls it something different. Even locals I've met call it different things. It's kind of just one of those weird things. But we're gonna go there and then we're gonna stay at a Cracker Barrel tonight. And that's gonna be the departure point for tomorrow, which is gonna be off to the next adventure, which we kind of have a couple ideas for, but we need to map out with better internet. So from Yuma to Casa Grande, Grande, here we come. Riley, guess what? I've got the map pulled up and it looks like it's 2 hours and 15 minutes away.
I'm as excited as can be. You gotta drop me the pin though.
Okay, we're on the road, just trying to get toward the highway so that we can actually get over to our location. Okay, we made our stop off. It was absolutely awesome. Again, go check out tomorrow's video. It's going to be super cool. Just a little free stop. The thing about it is you can find cool things no matter where you are. And if you prepare yourself the right way, you can arrive at the right time where it's absolutely epic, which is what we did tonight. We just pulled into the Cracker Barrel. They are closed. It's 9 o'clock. And so tomorrow morning we'll go inside and see what all they have. Maybe we'll find something cool. I don't know. But this is going to be a safe, nice place to stay, and there's other people here, so the adventure again begins tomorrow. We have a short time of sheer chaos coming, and it's going to be epic. Remember, guys, we're not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.